Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching me from, and what day you are watching me from. Okay, guys. In today's tutorial, guys, I'll be showing you how to monetize your Facebook page or your Facebook profile. Now, I'm going to be opening my Facebook. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is my Facebook page.
All right.
Okay, this is my Facebook page. Okay, now there is something Facebook actually brought into their system, which is an ability to convert your Facebook profile into a Facebook professional mode. Okay, as you can see, this my account is in professional mode. This my account is in professional mode. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can monetize your professional mode Facebook. Now, let me first of all go to my profile. If you see my profile, and I'm also going to be showing you an hint how you can actually grow your followers. As you can see, I only have 1.2k followers currently. I have 1.2k followers currently. Now, let me show you how you can actually convert your Facebook first into a professional mode. Now, to do that, all you just have to do is to go to okay, all you just have to do is to go to your profile, your main profile, then scroll down and click on these three dots you are seeing at your right corner of your screen. Click on the three dots. Then once you scroll down, you will see something like professional mode. So I can either turn on my professional mode or turn off my professional mode. If you want to verify your account, maybe you want to have a blue tick on your account, you can click on this meta verification. I think they charge for that like 4,000 something per month. So I haven't do that, okay, but I have actually turned on my professional mode. But if you click on this, it's going to turn off because I have actually turned on my professional mode. Okay, guys, so let me go back. So that's how to turn on your professional mode. Now, if you want to increase your followers, okay, if you want to increase your followers, let me show you something. Let me go to my dashboard. As you can see, I actually have an increase in followers recently of 32. Now, how was I able to achieve this? You can even achieve more even using this method, okay, but you have to be you have to be very careful because to avoid policy violation. Okay,
What type of guy are you looking?
there is a recent video I uploaded. As you can see, the engagement here, I had
Basically,
over 198 likes and 5 comments with 18 shares. If you look at the reach, I have over 8.3k views, which is
I'm looking for someone.
2,200 views. That was one of the video that blew my account recently, but not that 1.2 followers, just a few followers. But I got a lot of views and interactions from that video. Can you see the performance? Okay, now let's now check how can we monetize our Facebook profile professional mode. Now, to monetize your Facebook professional mode, all you have to do, go back. So once you go back, go to dashboard, professional dashboard, scroll down, and you will see something called monetization. Now click on monetization. Now, as you can see the options here, I'm actually not eligible yet currently because my followers requirement is not yet met. Okay, I think you need up to 5,000 followers. I only have 1.2 followers. Now if you click on this ads on reels, you can see one way you can monetize your Facebook professional mode. But I think they will have to invite you. They will invite you once you reach the requirement. They will invite you only for this method of earning. Okay. Now, what of bonuses? We have bonuses also. I think they will also need to invite you for this. Okay, then also subscriptions. I think I'm not even I think the country is not accepted for this. So now let's go back. That is how to monetize your Facebook professional mode. Now, how can you now monetize your Facebook page? So let me switch to my page. So I actually have a page currently, and this page has over, let me show you the followers. I think it's not even visible here. Okay, this page has over, I think, 30,000 followers. Let me show you. It might not. Okay, let me just show you. Go to professional mode. Okay, can you see I have 29,000 followers? 29,000 followers. So that is in professional mode. You can see my reach. Okay, You can see I actually lost a lot of followers on this because I have not been posting consistently. So I'm trying to make videos that I'm going to be posting on this page because I've actually reached the requirement for followers. All I just need is views, watch hours to monetize my page. So now let me go to monetization. So let me show you how to enable monetization on your page. At least you need 5,000 followers. So I have some options here. I have live ads, in stream ads, subscription. People love mostly to go for this in stream ads because it's a very nice way to monetize your Facebook page. So let me click on this input in stream ads. Now can you see I have met the followers. As you can see, I have met the 5,000 followers requirement, even more than, and I've also met this active videos post. So you need to post at least more 5 active videos or eligible videos or go live for more than 5 times. And I have also I'm only left with watch time, which is something I can even achieve in just few weeks if I'm consistent. Okay, and how can you achieve it? The most easier ways to achieve it is to post ads, to post reels, yes, but post reels that don't violate your account, please. It's very important to know that. So thanks you guys for watching this video. If you're not to this channel today, I will love you subscribe to this channel because in this channel I will teach you a lot of things on how you can actually make money online. So if you don't want to miss any of those videos, smash the subscribe button now so you don't miss this video. So love you guys. See you in the next video.